Hey you guys, so today we're going to be making clay beaded bracelets today, and I'm going to be showing you the tools that we're going to be using. So I have a bead snipper. You can use scissors. Also, we're going to be using elastic string, which is 5 mm. You can get that from your local store, or you can order it offline on Amazon, as well as the bead snippers, or you could just use regular scissors. I also have those pearl beads, and I got that from Amazon. We also using the clay beads. They are like a hot pink. I love me some pink. All right. And we also going to use the white clay beads as well. So those are tools that we're going to have. And those are the beads we're going to use, as well as some. We also going to use some clay charm beads, some hearts and flowers. And let's not forget, and we also going to be using the manual bead spinner. So let's get right to it. Alright, so all I'm doing is just getting my string ready, to get ready to start with the clay beads. And what I'm going to do is just open up my little cute case that I have here, and with my little scoop, and put the clay beads inside. I don't put a lot inside the bead spinner. I just put enough so it won't overflow. So I'm just moving it around. And now what I'm about to do, I'm about to add the white clay beads inside the bead spinner. And we're just going to mix it up, put a little scoop around on top of the hot pink. Close that back up and put that to the side. So the elastic string we're using is 5 mm. You can get that from your local craft store, or you can order it online. And then I have my beading needle. It's long. Usually you can get that. You can order them offline as well too, or your local craft store. And we just about to go ahead and get our relaxation on with some good music and get ready to string these beautiful beads onto this elastic string. So you just have to have patience, take your time, inhale, exhale, relax, and everything will come together. You see those pretty colors. It's mixed, the white and the pink, and I'm just spinning it manually with my hands and turning the needle a certain way to pick up the clay beads onto the needle. Let me know down in the comments, do you guys like the manual bead spinner or the electric bead spinner, and why? So you guys, you can see here that I'm continuously just adding more beads onto my string. I'm not cutting it or anything. I'm just making it longer so I can make at least 6 bracelets at one time instead of continue cutting. So you will see the end results. It's going to come out so beautiful. Let me know in the comments below, like, what kind of method do you guys do when you make bracelets? Do you do everything at once? Do you continue to cut and rethread? How do you do it? Let me know down in the comments below. All right. So here is another angle so you guys can see how I'm turning my needle. See, I turn it at a certain angle and then I'm twisting and you will see it come up onto the needle. It comes up so smoothly. So you want to have your needle at like a slight angle and the beads will fly directly on there. So here you see me here, I'm just pulling out the string so I can add the pearl beads and the clay charm beads onto the elastic string. So we're going to add a couple of those onto the string and then we're going to go ahead and measure and then cut. So here, after we cut the string, now I'm going to show you guys how I tie the bracelets. I just do like a regular cross and then I go over and then I go under about 3-4 times. And then I create a little knot. Cut off the excess string and then here is this beautiful bracelet. So we're going to continue creating these beautiful clay bracelets with the clay charms. And I also want to give a shout out to Kelly Prepster Studio. I got this idea from her when measuring your bracelets. You see that I'm measuring my bracelets on that case. It's 7 inches. And that's like the normal size for the wrist. Instead of using my bead board all the time, which I still do use my bead board, but that actually helped me out a lot with that case. So shout out to her. And you guys, make sure you go check her out on her channel. She is such an inspiration. Now we are cutting the string and we are about to tie this beautiful flower bracelet that we have here. And then once we tie that, we're going to move on to the next one. So let's go, you guys. I would love to see the creations that you guys have created. So let me know in the comments below what colors you guys are using and what beads. Here I'm showing you a different angle so you guys can get a closer look. See how I'm measuring the bracelet across the case? And that's just the case I put my charms in or beads or whatever. But it's actually 7 inches or 7.5 inches across. So you guys, you can always use that or use your bead board. Now we cutting the string and we're about to tie our beautiful bracelet here. So one tie and then you see me go under 3 times. Now I'm cutting off the excess string. And we're going to continue making these beautiful bracelets and vibing to this beautiful music. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and create more bracelets. You see me here measuring the bracelet here on top of this case. And then I'm going to string the pearl beads and the clay charm beads on to the elastic string. And then we're going to continue with this beautiful music and making these beautiful creations. I try to get up close and personal so you guys can see how I tie my knots, because I go under a few times and I cross over, go under, and I pull it. But like I said before, it's all how you guys want to do it, but that will be more secure. So these are the beautiful bracelets that we made today. They are clay beaded charm bracelets. They will be on the site this week for purchase with a free gift with every purchase. All right. Also, with signing up, you'll get 10% off. I want to thank you guys for being here with me today. And make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you later.